back to my channel. So if you have watched my last video, I am at Velhe. I visited Mango Forest Resorts and we figured out that Madheghat Waterfall is just 6 kilometers from there. So I am on my way to Madheghat Waterfall. Let's see what I can explore there. We have reached here, so I'm going down to the waterfall. So it seems you have to walk for like around 10 minutes. They have steps here and I'm taking them also with me. It's gonna be an adventure for me today. Looks very easy, but it's really difficult because the steps are really big, like this huge, and I do have pets also with me. So with pets it gets even more difficult. I was not prepared for this, so I did not carry shoes also. So do wear your shoes when you come here because it will make your life easier when you go down. So I've just left them open. I thought jo hoga dekha jayega, and I'm going down like this only. Waterfall. So there you see the waterfall. I don't know if you all can see. I will take you there and show it. It's the waterfall. I tried going down, but I don't know where the waterfall entrance is. So we found a small waterfall here, and now I'm gonna chill inside that. Finally we are done with the waterfall and we are trekking back up. It's gonna be super difficult. On our way back we got the actual waterfall, so I'll show you what it looks like. This is the actual waterfall which we missed. Because I'm feeling very cold, but yes, this is an amazing spot, so don't miss this spot when you all come here. This is where you have to come. So we're back from the waterfall trek, and there's Madheghat snack center over here. So I ordered one burji pav and one vada pav, so we'll eat that and leave back for Pune. So if you're in this side of Maharashtra, I would definitely recommend this waterfall because the trek is not too much, one can manage. Just wear your trekking shoes, so that would take care of everything. And so now I'll head back to Pune, and I don't think I'll take any more stops on the way because I'll take at least 2.5 hours to reach back. So keep watching my vlogs. I'll take you to more places, and do comment down how did you like the vlog, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.